Hello everyone, I am just making a small clarification on the previous video I did about pricing. One thing I wanted to mention, and this will just take a couple of minutes, I'm going to put up a screenshot here of the last three fields of the calculator. Um, I realized I kept saying that this is what it will cost to this is what it costs you to run the business per hour, but it's not quite accurate. What it really means towards the bottom there is what you need to bill per hour to cover your expenses, and that becomes more important when you're factoring in your efficiency. So at a lower efficiency, say 5 calls completed per day, that 155.60 is what you would need to bill per completed job because you're not actually completing a job every hour. So I just wanted to clarify that to make sure everybody has the accurate information. We will be doing another video in the near future about how to put these numbers into an actual pricing structure, because this is a little bit abstract, but when you see it placed into a pricing structure, it makes a lot more sense. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comments down below, and I will answer them to the best of my ability.